Amid freezing temperatures and snow flurries, conservative members of Congress came to rally grassroots activists who traveled to Capitol Hill to oppose the GOP Health Care plan. One of those members of Congress was Texas Senator Ted Cruz, who said he joined with the activists to say Republicans need to be held accountable.
I was here more than anything to thank the grassroots, to thank the conservative grassroots that led to a shocking and transformational victory in November, that it's put us in a position to deliver on our promises, to turn the country around. And we have the opportunity to do an enormous amount of good. And we've got to keep our promise. We've got to deliver on our promises. That's what these men and women are here for, is to hold all of us accountable to do exactly that.
Accountability seems to be a major theme with conservatives when it comes to health care. And for Virginia Congressman Dave Bratt, who says he's opposing the House health care plan in the Budget Committee on which he serves, that means keeping his word.
So you can shop across state lines, but you can buy the same socialist product in every state. That doesn't work, right? So you've got to change the regs so that a young person can go out and buy a catastrophic health care product, right? And so we can lower the price for these folks, and seniors can get the product they want, and they're going to differ. Not a one-size-fits-all from D.C. So the message is pretty simple, and it's even simpler. Let's keep our word. We said we're going to repeal Obamacare, so let's get rid of it. And then let's give the power back down to the states and to the people, and then we'll help out the folks pre-existing conditions that have needs.
And for Utah Senator Mike Lee, the rally was an opportunity to motivate grassroots activists to engage with Congress on the health care issue.
We want people to talk to their friends, their neighbors, their aunts, their uncles. Tell them to contact their members of Congress. Tell them to make sure we actually repeal Obamacare. We've talked about this now for 7 years. It's time to do it.
And telling them to repeal Obamacare is pretty much the message Patricia from Colonial Beach, Virginia, was planning to deliver.
I'm here to let Congress know that we want to have control over health care again, and that we want to basically we just want to get the federal government out of our health care business.
At this point, conservatives say they want a real repeal of Obamacare with a replacement that's not Obamacare Light. And if this rally, organized by FreedomWorks, is any indication, they may get it. John Hines, One American News, Washington.